We are taking you on location with us, so not only you will be able to practice from home, but you can see how to apply all these great new techniques to live situations. Our beginner courses introduce you to everything you need to get started with your photography. Camera settings, basics of composition, and photo editing. These are the simple and effective techniques that will launch you on your creative journey. Our advanced courses push it further with advanced composition techniques, creative settings, and more photo editing. We will dive deeper into what is our passion, people photography. These are the unique teaching techniques that we have developed in the field by teaching thousands of people. We have created a masterclass fully tailored to your needs. Not only you will get access to our online courses, but I will personally follow up with you in weekly live sessions. Together, we will reach your long-term goals and turn you into the photographer you want to be. All our courses include weekly assignments with personalized feedback on your images by our team of photographers. We have adapted our courses so you can find the motivation and inspiration to take great photos wherever you are. You will be able to practice and improve your photography from home so you are ready for your next travel. So sign up for our courses, improve your photography, join our community, and travel with us. Yo!
Yo!
Yo!